Hi, this is Liu, and today we're gonna to doing the playing piece by Suzuki, and this is the 3-beat piece, which means is per bar have a 3 beats, and also we can see this is really interesting piece because from the beginning to the end, every single notes they all have a staccato. Okay, so we're going to doing 3 or 4 steps to practice this piece. So first of all, when we get this piece, we have to be doing the separate hands. For example, the first step, we have to doing the right hand only and the left hand only like this. And we have to be account because this is a 3 beats for each bar. So if we play the right hand only, so we don't need to play the third bar, no, the third beat. So we just account like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, because we want to be a perfect rhythm when we get both hands together. Okay, so after right hands, we practice the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, because we can see the left hand's got a single notes, each of the bar. So which is on the third beats mostly, and some they are in the second and first beat. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Be careful here, the rhythm change to the first and second beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. So I will suggest you guys count first. Count by yourself and loudly. And as soon as you get a count, you can put the metronome on and practice with the metronome. Okay, this is the first step. Solve the problem of the rhythm. And the second step is, let's practice the both hand. And the tricky things in this piece is, we can see each of the bar is like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the switch to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So sometimes we will be like mix up the rhythm because they are switch all like a lot of times. So I would suggest to doing the group, one group by one group. We can do in the 3 notes as a group, like 1, 2, 3, and then we can stop. 1, 2, 3, get stop. 1, 2, 3, get stop. 1, 2, 3, get stop. As long as we got this group, we can build up. Like we can play 2 measures as a one group. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, and the 3 bars one group. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And finally, we can see each of the 4 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. They got to change. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's kind of pattern things. So beginning the first line, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 measure is 2 beat in the right hand and 1 beat in the left hand. And the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bar is like 2 beat in the left hand and then 1 beat in the right hand. And next is like 2 beat in the right hand and then switch to the left hand, and then again, and again. Right? So I think the separate group is the best way to resolve this kind of problem. Okay, so after we resolve all of the things, we have to talk about how to practice the staccato in this piece. Okay, carefully. Many people, when they play staccato, they want to do the like this, pick up hand very high, but which is not correct. Imagine that staccato is just like you jumping on the floor. So it's like, and also we're doing the the frog axis. So imagine that I have a frog on the rest, right? And the frog have to jump in to the score. And also, if we hear the sound, the staccato sound should be very short and strong. It won't be sleepy. Right? So when we're practicing the staccato, we have to hear and we have to look at our hands. So we have to go really slowly. Okay, so we don't have to go through it if we just practice staccato. We can just focus on the one measure. And as soon as we resolve all of the things of the staccato, we can go through it to the next bar. Because they are pretty same. Staccato is exactly the same, just change another notes. So you will get soon if you just resolve the one bar. We don't have to play the whole things. Okay, so after we resolve this the staccato problem, and we kind of get a whole piece, so we can try to go very slowly and go through from beginning to the end. Yeah, like that. Okay, so carefully do not go through it before you get a staccato and get a group practice and get a rhythm. Okay, so that'll be tricky if you didn't get all of them, right? This piece will be getting hard for you. So after you get the staccato and the rhythm and the group exercise, you will feeling like this is such an easy piece. Okay, so pretty much like this. Bye.